From Television City in Hollywood.
He's coming. Yes, sir. Glen Campbell's coming. He's going to be right here on this stage. He's going to be here tonight. He'll be here. He's getting ready. He's getting his hair all slicked down. Getting his tight suit on. He's going to come right on the stage here. He's here. Well, it's knowing that your door is always open and you're glad the street to walk. I'm Glen Campbell. These are some of the people we have on the show with us tonight.
I'm here tonight because the kid called. After all, what are friends for? Right, Flip?
Well, hi and welcome to the show. Just clowning around a little bit there. Actually, in reality, I'm Tim Conway, star of stage, screen, and television. Well, actually, not the stage. I've never done legitimate stage work, so it would just be the movie and the television. The movie deal fell through. I'm sorry, I lied on that a little bit. But television, as a guy told me not to do that anymore either, and so I gave Harvey my dressing room, and I'm just... I'll be in the car if you need me.
We're Three Dog Night, and we're really looking forward to working with John Wayne.
Yeah, but John Wayne doesn't play guitar.
And I know John Wayne doesn't sing.
And you can thank your lucky stars. Peace, brothers.
Sooner or later, love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, girl, you got to give in. Sooner or later, love is gonna let you. Sooner or later, love is gonna win. It's just a matter of time before you make up your mind to give all the love that you've been hiding. It's just a question of when. I've told you time and again, I'll get all that love you've been denying. Sooner or later, love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, girl, you got to give in. Sooner or later, love is gonna let you. Sooner or later, love is gonna win. You say you'll never be mine, but darling, there'll come a time I'll taste all that love that you've been hiding. It's just a question of time before you make up your mind to give all that love you've been denying. Looking for love in all the wrong places, in all the wrong faces, from disillusion, from all this confusion. Sooner or later, love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, girl, you got to give in. Sooner or later, love is gonna let you. Sooner or later, love is gonna win. Love is gonna win. Girl, it's just a matter of time, so won't you make up your mind to give all the love that you've been hiding. It's just a question of time, I told you time and again, I'll get all the love you've been denying. Sooner or later, and love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, girl, you got to give in, yeah. You know love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, love is gonna let you win. Woo! Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and welcome to the first show of the season. It's great to be back in the new season, and I'm really looking forward to being on nice and early, because now my kids can stay up and see what their daddy does for a living. Let me tell you, it's nice, too, to do a show at this time, because all over America, Mama's watching the supper dishes, and Daddy's on the sofa taking a nap. School kids are in their rooms doing their homework. Gee, come to think of it, I wonder who is watching the show.
John Wayne is watching, Glenn.
Ladies and gentlemen, our announcer, Eddie Mayhoff.
John Wayne is waiting, Glenn, so I'd speed things up a bit if I were you, because he's big.
Yes, he is big. And ladies and gentlemen, he's one of the all-time greats, my buddy, Mr. John Wayne.
Duke, I can't tell you how flattered I am that you're here to do my opening show.
Well, I was happy to be here. I'm beginning to like TV. I want to thank you for going on that special for me this last
Hey,
year.
that was fantastic. And what a rating. You know, I guess everybody in America was watching it that night, except for my family, of course.
Why didn't they see it?
Well, no, you see, it was opposite my show, and there's a rule at my house. You know, when Daddy's show's on, everybody watches Daddy's show, or else.
Well, that's funny, because your kids wrote me a fan letter.
Well, two people definitely didn't see it, my wife and I.
No? Well, she phoned me and said she liked it.
I guess I'm the only one that didn't see your special. I mean, I didn't see all of it. Well, let's face it, I saw all of your special.
Glenn, your mom and dad liked it, too.
Well, this goes to show you. You don't know what lonely is until you've been opposite a John Wayne special.
Glenn, he's here. That's him. That's really him. That's the big guy. That's him. Can you imagine that? Me and nobody. And I'm going to be working with the duck. Wow. This could really make me pretty popular, I'm telling you, Glenn. Actually, I'm just kind of stalling because I know you're going to introduce me, and when he shakes my hand, I know it's going to hurt. So I'm just kind of taking my time.
Duke, he's been wanting to meet you all week. He's one of your biggest fans. This is Tim Conway.
Tim?
I'll just put that in here.
Oh. See, I told you, that hurts a lot. Say, you know, there's one thing I've always wanted to ask you, Duke. I know you've been in a lot of movies and everything, and there's just one question I always wanted to ask you.
Well, shoot.
Huh? Oh, he wouldn't do that. Well, you know, you're always in those fights and everything, and always hitting everybody and getting hit and everything. You must get hurt a lot yourself, don't you?
No. It just looks like that. It's, you know, it's make-believe. Now, this bottle looks real, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's nothing but spun glass. Well, that didn't hurt, did it? And this mirror, made of the same stuff. All fake, Jim.
Boy, that's real interesting.
Yeah, I learned all that stuff from doing True Grit with Duke.
Is that?
And this is a breakaway chair.
Oh.
Mr. Wayne, here are the fake props you ordered.
Gee, sorry, kid.
Yeah. Well, I'll be in the car if you need me.
Here's the hottest musical group in America today, Three Dog Night.
Jeremiah was a bullfrog, was a good friend of mine. suddenly appear every time you are near. Just like me, they long to be close to you. That is why all the boys in town follow you all around. Like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Well, hi, Carol.
I just wanted to come and wish you a whole lot of luck on your new season and your new time slot.
Well, thank you, Carol, and I know that we're all going to be watching you on your first show tomorrow night.
That's
and
why I came. I wanted you to say that.
Well, I hear it's going to be good.
Thank you. I hope so. But it's just one thing I have always wanted to do, and I have the opportunity, and I would like to do it now, not only for myself, but for all the women of America. May I?
Well, sure, well. It didn't break. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, America's greatest daredevil and motorcycle jumper, the one and only Vicious Canisius. How are you feeling after your latest accident, Vicious?
Well, I'll tell you, Glenn, right from the start. I'll tell you, if it weren't for this sprained ankle, I'd be real good. I'll tell you that.
Oh,
pardon my chest there, Glenn. You'll have to come around here. After that accident, it hasn't been going too good at all.
Well, you seem to have twisted your head around.
No, actually, what I was doing, Glenn, I was jumping over a health spa, and I landed in the whirlpool. Oh. Spun myself right by my mustache is what happened. Kind of difficult. I keep putting peas in my cheek. Wintertime, I keep blowing my ear. But that's immaterial to you, Glenn. What do you care? You have a show. Yeah. Actually, my head's okay. I've just dislocated my body.
Well, tell me, Vicious, with your head like that, don't you find it kind of hard to see where you're going?
No, not really, Glenn. If I could see where I'm going, I wouldn't jump. Well, things I do frighten myself, I'll tell you. But it is kind of good. It keeps the bugs off my teeth.
Tell me, Vicious, what's new with you in the future?
Oh, well, I've got a whole bunch of new things. Of course, I was in Vegas about 2 weeks ago, did my famous dessert jump.
Oh?
Yeah, that's where I jump over 55 flaming Twinkies. Beautiful thing it was, too, I'll tell you, Glenn. And then I did my oh-no jump.
Your oh-no jump?
Yeah, that's where I go halfway across the Glen Canyon.
Yeah.
Or the Glen Canyon, which is smaller than the Grand Canyon. Much harder to pronounce, too, yeah. And on the way down, I yell, oh, no.
Well, what do you plan to do next, Vicious?
What I'm going to do is make the most dangerous jump of my career.
Oh.
Going to jump right here from this studio in Hollywood to Honolulu.
Honolulu?
Yes. Where 15,000 anxious doctors are waiting, singing the Hawaiian love call in 4/4 time.
Well, good luck, Vicious.
Well, thank you to you very much, and good luck to you, too.
Why are you wishing me good luck?
Because you're standing in my way, that's why.
Well, aren't you going that way?
Oh, that's right. That's the other way. Boy, this ankle is killing me. Well, step aside, boy. Oh! Tell you something, Glenn. As soon as I pull myself together, I'm going to try that one more time.
Oh.
Pardon me. I'll be in the car if you need me.
Put your hand in the hand of the man who stilled the water. Put your hand in the hand of the man who calmed the sea. Take a look at yourself and you can look at others differently by putting your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Every time I look into the holy book, I want to tremble. When I read about the part where the carpenter cleared the temple. For the buyers and the sellers were no different fellas than what I profess to be. And it causes me pain to know I'm not the gal that I should be. Put your hand in the hand of the man who stilled the water. Put your hand in the hand of the man who calmed the sea. Take a look at yourself and you can look at others differently by putting your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. My mama taught me how to pray. 87. Oh yes. And when I'm down on my knees, that's when I'm close to heaven. Daddy lived his life with 2 kids and a wife. You gotta do what you must do. Oh, but it showed me enough of what it takes to get you through. Why don't you put your hand in the hand of the man who stilled the water? Put your hand in the hand of the man who calmed the sea. Take a look at yourself and you can look at others differently by putting your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Put your hand in the hand of the man from Galilee. Oh,
You know, one thing you don't see too much on variety shows is adventure, but we're going to be different. We're going to bring you all kinds of excitement and danger on a weekly serial. It's called Sergeant Swell of the Royal Mountains. And it's all about a man dedicated to cleaning up the Old West, even though, as a Canadian, it's none of his business. And as our story begins, Swell is on the desert, hot on the trail of Chief Silly Savage and his nasty natives. What's it?
Bounties, at your service, ma'am.
Be with us next week for more of Sergeant Swell.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm ever gonna make it home again. It's so far and out of sight. I really need someone to talk to, and nobody else knows how to comfort me tonight. Snow is cold, rain is wet, chills my soul right to the marrow. I won't be happy till I see you alone again, till I'm home again and feeling right. Till I'm home again and feeling right. Till I'm home again and feeling right. I wanna be with you home again and feeling
Thank you, Albert. You know, when I appeared in True Grit with John Wayne, I looked up to him because he had the biggest darn horse you ever saw. In fact, I looked up to him in every scene we did together because I was on the littlest horse you ever saw. So you could really tell who was the main feature and who was the short subject. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my turn tonight. Here is John Wayne.
Hey, Glenn?
Yeah.
I think you better get this horse some elevated shoes.
Well, never mind the horse. I think I'm going to need some when we get down. There you go, big fella.
Well, that's more like it.
Yeah, we're right back where we started. You're the main attraction, and I'm the short subject.
Never mind, kids. You ride tall in the saddle.
Well, that's because I'm too sore to sit down. Hey, you know, the last time we worked together, that was fun. It was at the premiere of your new movie, Big Jake.
Yeah, I got a kick out of that because of the new theater.
The premiere was at the John Wayne Theater, built at Knoxbury Farm as a tribute to the Duke here.
Well, that evening was a real thrill, and it's a nice thing about that place. I can get in free now.
I tell you what, if you're ever down that way, don't miss it, because around the lobby, there's displays showing all the original costumes, the props, and, well, everything from Duke's biggest movies.
And I don't know where they dug up half of that stuff. Some of it I don't even remember. This is the rifle I used in the stagecoach way back in 1939. Had that put on so I could twirl it.
Yeah, I've seen you do that. All right, mister. Drop it right where you are. You're dead where you sit.
Do a better impression than that or get another gun.
This is really a great collection, Dukes.
Yeah, it brings back a lot of memories. That case over there, for instance, has a wardrobe from She Wore a Yellow Ribbon, Captain Brittles. I guess my favorite character.
Yeah.
Over there's some more of the gun collection. There's the saddle and some of the riding gear that I've used in a few westerns. Those are some of the awards that people have been nice enough to give me over the years. And that's my wardrobe from the Green Berets, as dedicated and competent an outfit as the world has ever known.
You know, the displays just keep on going. Say, how many movies you made?
Oh, I guess over 200.
Wow, that's
And I'm going to keep on making them until I make one right.
Duke, did it all begin with Stagecoach?
Well, good ones started with Stagecoach, but I'd done about 130 pictures before that, including one that I still have bad dreams about.
Was that bad, huh?
Would you believe a picture called Singing Sandy? I played the singing cowboy.
No, I don't believe I would believe that.
Well, it happened, so by the time John Ford asked me to do Stagecoach, I was about ready for something with a little meat to it.
Hey, let's look at some more of the film, okay?
Good.
This was a great picture, Duke. Red River.
Yeah, that's some of the wardrobe and gear from it. I did that one for Howard Hawks. The Silver Fox, we called him. When he turned these steely blues on you, you knew he knew what he was talking about. While I was doing this picture, I found a hat, not that hat, an old cavalry hat that I've kind of used as a good luck piece. It's been kind of a trademark in a lot of movies. Like your hair's your trademark.
Yeah, but so far my hair's only been in 2 pictures. Didn't you get an Oscar nomination for this picture, Duke?
Yeah, Sands of Iwo Jima. I didn't get the Oscar.
But you sure got an Oscar for this one, and I gotta say I was mighty proud to ride along beside you, Duke.
That's right, you're the kid on the short horse.
That was a thrill for me to be in a movie with John Wayne. Well, Duke, I gotta say one thing. You deserve the Oscar, but I can't help believing if I'd have had a bigger horse, things might have been different.
You never know.
And your new movie, Big Jake, I really liked it. I saw it down there that night.
Well, nobody's mentioned the fact that Big Jake is a 2-generation picture. My son Mike produced it, Pat co-starred in it, and my youngest son, John Ethan, stole a picture right out from under all of us.
Of all the pictures that you've made, tell me, which one is your favorite?
Well, you like each picture for a different reason, but I think my favorite will always be the next one.
Well, I'll sure be there to see it, Duke. And once again, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Once again, here's Three Dog Night.
Just an old-fashioned love song playing on the radio, and wrapped around the music is the sound of someone promising they'll never go. You swear you've heard it before as it slowly rambles on. No need in bringing them back, 'cause they're never really gone. Just an old-fashioned love song, one I'm sure they wrote for you and me. Just an old-fashioned love song, coming down in 3-part harmony, to weave our dreams upon and listen to each evening when the lights are low, to underscore our love affair with tenderness and feeling that we've come to know. You swear you've heard it before as it slowly rambles on and on. No need in bringing them back, 'cause they're never really gone. Just an old-fashioned love song, coming down in 3-part harmony. Just an old-fashioned love song, one I'm sure they wrote for you and me. Just an old-fashioned love song, coming down in 3-part harmony. Just an old-fashioned love song, one I'm sure they wrote for you and me. Just an old-fashioned love song. Coming down, three-part harmony. Just an old-fashioned love song.
Harry and Paul, and this is Spiro the Wonder Dog.
Sing a song, sing it loud, sing it strong, sing of good things, not bad, sing of happy, not sad, sing a song, make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Sing a song.
Stay tuned for the second half of the show with Tim Conway. Three Dog Night, Black Curve Congregation, Larry McNeeley, Jerry Reed, Eddie Mayhoff, and the Duke himself, John Wayne.
Well, Duke, I really want to thank you for being on the show tonight.
It's my pleasure, Glenn. I enjoyed it. I'm sure you're going to have a great season. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd kind of like to get this makeup off.
Thanks again.
Okay. All right, Harry, anytime.
You said it, Mr. Wayne. I don't mind telling you, Mr. Wayne, Duke. You were fantastic tonight. You're all done, Mr. Wayne.
Thanks a lot, Harry.
That's the best kept secret in Hollywood.
Sing with me? You want to sing that one? I will sing this one. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine,
teardrop in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear her voice in the morning as she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Now traveling down the road, I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, country
Thank you very much. Hey, it's really great to be back here with Jerry and Larry again. And you got another one that's hot and I like called Coco Joe. How about doing it right now?
Just tee it up right
Rip
now.
it off. I'll join in.
Do it again, girl. You'll help me? Well, way up in Appaloosa County, there's a place called Cocoa Ridge. It sits right on the bend of Daredevil River where the water washed away the bridge. Son, cottonmouth country. A river rat's knee high. Way up around the back border lived the man that the river folks talked about. Tell me more. They said you better stay away from Coco Joe, cause he's crazy no count. Coco Joe! That's right, girl. They called him the Daredevil River swamp rat, and folks despised him. Coco Joe! Coco Joe, the boy was an awfully peculiar man. The river was his only friend, and the folks didn't understand the man Coco Joe. Do it, girl. Yeah. Well, now he'd monkey meat and mashed potatoes. He drunk a brew called a Mojo Claw. That he made out of roots from old dead stumps on the banks of the Daredevil. Made him walk a little funny. Made his breath smell funky. Well, he never come across the river, cause the folks they didn't like him in town. They said his hair was long, his clothes were dirty. They didn't want him hanging around girls. That's right. They called him the Daredevil River swamp rat, and folks despised him. Well, Coco Joe, the boy was an awfully peculiar man. The river was his only friend, and the folks didn't understand the man Coco Joe. That's right. Now, folks, it happened a year ago Sunday, and they still talk about it today. How the dam broke loose on the Daredevil River, nearly washing everybody away. Son, the river water rising, washing up all the bushes. Well, the headlines read how Mama said my son would have lost his life, but he was pulled from the mud in the Daredevil River by the man y'all all despise. Coco Joe! Coco Joe, they call him the Daredevil River swamp rat, and folks despised him. Well, Coco Joe, so be careful what you say, my friends, about folks you don't understand, because someday you might need a man like Coco Joe. Yeah. Go ahead on, children. Coco Joe. Well, Coco Joe, they call him the Daredevil River swamp rat, and folks despised him. That was good.
Captain, I need help. I've been on this task for a week.
Well, looks like I found you just in time.
Oh, you know it. Thank you very much. Easy does it, boy. Easy does it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Tuesday night meeting of Tap Dancers Anonymous.
Dedicated to bringing under control the dangerous outbreak of tap dancing in America. Order. Now, before we start the meeting, let's take the oath. Raise your right foot. I swear never to tap dance again. Shave and haircut, 2 bits.
I can't take it. Pete, you gotta get me out of here.
Sit down. These people can help you. Oh, I see that we have a new member. What is your name, brother?
My name is Reuben Keeler. And I'm a real live my uncle's friend, born on going.
Oh, I got you here just in time.
Just in time. I found just in time.
Oh, now, order. Oh. Now tell us, brother, what is your story?
I used to be a brain surgeon. Yes, I had hands like a rock. But every time I was operating, my feet started going. And...
Now, if you can pass the following tests, you are cured. Now,
I'm ready.
Here is Fred Astaire's hat.
Ooh. I did it! I'm on my way.
Oh, now, the next test is this tricky little thing. It's Donald O'Connor's cane.
Oh, no. Yes. But look at that. I'm still holding steady. I think I've done it.
Now, so far, so good. Now, listen to this. Take it!
I did it! Crazy rhythm, here's the doorway.
Yeah.
I'll go my way, you go your way. Crazy rhythm, we're now there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Girls, stop that! Your toes will drive you mad. Take your shoes off. Don't bring tradition to this club. We're saving soap.
from kids, Mr. Campbell.
Thank you, Teresa. I enjoy getting the letters from people who watch the show, especially the kids, because they write such great things. This one here is from Chris Allen Kruger in Tallahassee, Florida. He says, "Dear Glenn, you're my favorite singer and my mommy's favorite singer, too. I only have one of your records because Daddy won't let me buy any more." Well, I'll tell you what, I'll keep putting them out till I hit one your daddy likes, okay? And I love this one, too. This is from Terry Jackson, Charlotte, North Carolina. "I think the two best singers in the world are you and my uncle." Thank you, Terry. I feel sorry for your uncle, though. Oh, he likes this one.
Oh, the road is long with many a winding turn that leads us to who knows where, who knows where. But I'm strong enough to carry him. He ain't heavy, no load. He's my brother. So on we go. His welfare is my concern. No burden is he to bear. We'll get there. For I know he would not encumber me. He ain't heavy, he's my brother. If I'm laden at home, I'm laden with sadness that everyone's heart isn't filled with the gladness of a love for one another. Lord, it's a long, long road from which there is no return. While we're on our way to there, why don't we share? Lord, I know the Lord don't weigh me down at all. He ain't heavy, no Lord, he's my brother. No, Lord, he ain't heavy. No, Lord, he's my brother.
See you next week. Till then, good night, y'all. See you then.
Be with us again next week when Glenn's guests are Bob Hope, the Smothers Brothers, and Miss Dionne Warwick. Also appearing on tonight's show was R.G. Brown. This is Bill Thompson. The songs Put Your Hand in the Hand and Old Fashioned Love Song were previously recorded.